Hey guys, what's up? Spenny here. So over the past few months, we've seen a massive amount of hedge fund buying into Palantir, but regardless of all of this hedge fund buying, the stock has been crashing massively. We've actually crashed almost 55% from the top. So what is going on? Smart money is buying the stock, but the stock is crashing. Well, in today's video, I am going to be showing you guys the real reason why this is happening. But before we do get into this video, make sure to drop the video a big thumbs up. It really helps to grow the channel, and feel free to subscribe for more Palantir content. So the real reason why Palantir has been crashing is not because of hedge funds, it's actually because of retail investors. And I'm not going to try to offend anybody in this video, but I am going to try to be as real as possible. So we got to talk about Wallstreetbets. You see, Wallstreetbets over the past few months has grown from 1 million followers to 9.7. Now, those of you who were in Wallstreetbets when it was around 1 million followers and less than that, you guys know how much this community has changed. This community has gone from an actual investment community that had good ideas to a community that is solely focused on momentum and just pumping a stock. You're just yelling ticker symbols in these chats saying buy, 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 diamond hands. And then when the stock crashes, you make fun of the people who are holding the bag. And I'm just trying to be real here. Wallstreetbets, I believe, was a good community, just 3 months ago. It's changed drastically, and it's had a huge negative impact on great companies out there. And so I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm seeing. So if we even just look at the comments, the list goes on for absolutely ever, so I'm not going to cover this too much. But you see comments like this: Palantir is in the hand of the bag holder. This is just one example, but when GME crashed a couple months ago, when SBC was crashing, there was so many comments about people being bag holders, and it was all just negative. The tide turns so fast in this community, and you guys just got to be careful. It's a really fast way to lose money by following stocks that they're pumping. So I just want to put that warning out to people. A few other comments here are people who aren't all in on Palantir now. How does it feel to be happy? People are obviously just being discouraged. A lot of innocent people, I'm not against everybody in this community. There's a lot of innocent people that were just looking to make money. They're not trying to pump and dump or anything like that. However, we have a lot of these bag holders who just lost a lot of money, and it's really negatively affecting their life. And I feel for those people. Not everybody in this community is pumping and dumping, and I do recognize that. But there's a lot of bag holders in the stock from this. More comments here. Palantir is like a dead fish floating on the water at this point. Just a lot of people are clearly becoming discouraged. And the thing is, this was obviously a momentum play in the community. So as long as there's lots of bullish sentiment around the stock, it'll go higher. But when things start to turn, it turns really fast, and retail investors are very quick to sell. And that's why you see the stocks dump really fast in the Wallstreetbets community. If we actually look at some of the popular Wallstreetbets stocks like BlackBerry is down 68% from its top. Another one, and one of my favorite companies, is actually Virgin Galactic. It got caught up in the Wallstreetbets as well. It is down 61% as well. And then we have the Wallstreetbet darlings, the main focused stocks like AMC and GME. AMC was down 73% and has since recovered a little bit. However, this is also partly because there's the reopening, which is creating bullish sentiment around the stock. However, in my opinion, this just isn't going to last for very long. And then we have GME. GME is actually down quite a bit from its all-time highs. It's down 63%, and I expect that to go a lot lower in the future. Just being honest with you guys here, there is a clear trend with Wallstreetbet stocks. They get pumped and they get dumped. It's unfortunate because some of these companies actually have good fundamentals. BlackBerry actually has really good fundamentals. Virgin Galactic, obviously doesn't have strong fundamentals, but it's a really good spec play. And then there's a stock like Palantir, which is an amazing growth stock, but it got caught up in the Wallstreetbet community and it got absolutely pumped and dumped, and it's been really discouraging for a lot of people to see their money get cut in half. So anyways guys, for those of you who are confused why Palantir is going down so much, it's not because the fundamentals of the company are struggling. The company is actually doing amazing, and it's one of the best growth stocks to own in my opinion. However, until this fad wears down and goes away, I don't think Palantir is going to be able to pick up much steam. So I can't wait until Wallstreetbets gets out of this stock and lets the stock trade off of the fundamentals. Once people forget about the pump in the stock, everybody runs away, sells their positions, then we're going to see the real investors get into this company, or the real investors who are already in it, they're going to stay with this company because they recognize the future ahead. Once that all happens, then I think you see the stock climb again. I don't know exactly when that will happen. However, these kind of pump and dumps don't last long. They're usually a couple weeks to a few months long maximum. So yeah, anyways guys, that's kind of my thoughts about what's going on with Palantir and really the true reason why we've seen a crash. Now make sure to comment down below. Let me know your guys' thoughts about Wallstreetbets and Palantir. I'd love to get your guys' opinion. Do you think it's good for the stock? Do you think it's bad? Am I off basis here? I'd love to hear your guys' thoughts around this topic. I think it's really important to discuss it. So yeah, definitely make sure to comment down below, guys. Really appreciate you guys watching till the end. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and I'll see you guys on the next one.